make sure you like this video already before it start and subscribe because I'm lit or whatever. So subscribe to my channel.
Love my personality, maybe because I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody could tell. It took me a while to come up on my shell. At least I could say I did it with no help.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Keandra back with another video. And I'm giving y'all natural. I'm giving y'all space, buns, puffs, whatever y'all want to call it. But my hair ain't stay like this for long because in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I prep my hair for a wig install. So yeah, that's what this video is about. I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that y'all need first. I don't know why I keep clapping, but I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I usually use beforehand. So I use the Main Choice sealing cream. This stuff is freaking bomb for people with really kinky, curly, dry hair like mine. So I just put you on your welcome. It's by the Main Choice. It's a little pricey, but it's a really great moisturizer. So I use this. You're gonna need a good moisturizer. I use Gorilla Snot Gel. You can use any gel that you want to use. I just like the Gorilla Snot Gel because it really lay my hair down. Need a brush, a good one if your hair thick. You're gonna need a comb, just a part, and then a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair, and then you may or may not use an edge brush, like you really, it's not necessary. And then you're gonna need some water. This water looks like this because I squeezed some of this Main Choice moisturizing cream inside of here. It says no braiding required. Make sure you like this video already before it start and subscribe because I'm lit or whatever. So subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I want to start doing more like natural hair videos, so look out for those in the future. Anyways, getting into it, we're gonna take these out. Have to fix the lighting or whatever. But so basically this is my hair. I washed it last night. It's just too much. Like, can we talk about the inches? Please talk to me, like. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing for real. So I'm gonna just part my hair down the middle. To be honest, the part really don't have to be like neat. Like nobody's gonna see this. I part that. I take one side and I just put it in a ponytail, kind of like what I just had. Now I'm gonna take my hair and we gonna spray it with the water and Main Choice concoction mix in the main. Honestly, this water bottle, like, it just squirts out ridiculous, but like, you know, moisturized and like slippery, like, so that it's easier to do this bun. So now I'm gonna part my hair, because if you know, you know, with the thick hair you gotta take your time and you have to do your hair in sections. You cannot just slap gel on top and expect to get the most sleek ponytail. It just don't work that way. So I'm gonna put that in the ponytail at the top. I'm gonna rub that that mix in, and now I'm gonna drop the comb. I'm just going to detangle this. My hair has been really dry. Don't neglect your hair under y'all wigs, y'all. Please don't, cause I love wigs. They obviously like keeping my hair growing, but you have to take care of it while it's under the wig. I'm gonna take some more of my Main Choice stuff. Just moisturize this section. You wanna moisturize your hair because I like to keep my wigs in for like a week, sometimes a week and a half. You should still moisturize it like while it's under your wigs. So now after I do that, I'm gonna take my gel. The rest is history. Like, I'm just keep repeating this. I'm gonna put the gel on. We basically just creating 2 low ponytails. For some of y'all, this might be way easier if your hair is way finer. Mine's obviously isn't, so it takes me way longer to complete a simple ponytail. And I'm just gonna repeat that process literally until I get one whole ponytail. see, I finished one of the ponytails. Just get it as slick as you can. My hair is very thick, so it'd be hard for me to get stuff super slick. But now what we gonna do with this ponytail before we move to the side is I'm just going to comb it with my wide tooth comb. This is super easy, y'all. Like, super. Anybody can do this. Literally 2 ponytails. Make sure you don't be pulling your hair in the back. I'm just literally gonna do a regular 3-strand braid. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. All right, y'all. I'm coming to the end here of my 2 ponytails and my braids. Like I said, easiest way to prep your hair for under your wigs. Literally, like, I used to braid my hair, but I could barely braid. I mean, a little bit. I can braid. It's never neat, like, and I didn't care because nobody gonna see it. But then I started getting like a little bit lazy, and I'm like, I could do it way faster, so why not do it like this? The only con to this that I will say before I finish is that you putting a lot of gel in your hair for the ponytail, so over time your hair start itching. That's why I recommend that you only like keep it in, you know, a couple days to a week, because your hair will start itching under your wig. So this is like a short term prepping your wig. Now, if you want a long time, like you want your wig to last 2 weeks to a month or something like that, of course, like, just get it braided. But the purpose of this video was to give y'all the easy way. No French braiding necessary. This is only braids. Everybody can do a 3-strand braid. So now that I'm finished and I done got it as slick as I can, this is what it looked like. I don't know what it looked like in the back, but I just got 2 braids. I look like that girl off of the Polar Express, but it's okay because she was cute. And so next what I do is so easy. I literally take my braids and I cross them. Not to mention, you're gonna need some bobby pins, and pin it all the way to this side, and just try to get it as flat as you can. So that's about as flat as I can get it. And then I'm gonna take this other end, go straight across, and pin my braid down. After I do this, my hair is like super flat. Super easy, super flat. And what you want to do is put your caps on right away. Is when you take your wig caps. Now, the fresher they are, the better. I went to the Beauty Supply store yesterday. I forgot to get some more. But the fresher they are, the better, because they're tighter on your head. And they can really help make your hair, they can help your hair lay flatter than it already is. I'll just put this one on first. Method, you just do your ball cap method, or you just put the cap on like normal. You got a super flat foundation. There's the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna close this video out because I look bald. That's kind of the point though. Like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. I hope it was very helpful. If it was, show me by liking the video. Make sure you subscribe to your girl channel for more hair videos and just more videos of me in general. And hit that bell for post notifications so you can be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see y'all in the next one.